What I'm about to tell you is certainly true in this case for making up to $250 in a single day. Because the key is to find a powerful app you can download for free. Now, basically, in this video, I'm going to show you two different free apps that you have to use together to make a lot of money online. Now, this is the first app that I'm going to show you. As you can see, it is completely free and you don't have to pay anything to get started. Now, let me show you exactly how much money you can make from this free app. As you can see here, there's $3, $2, $6, and $5, and sometimes even $11 over and over again. Just like all of these people right here. As you can see, $20, $5, $10, and $30. So every day, people from all over the world are actively watching or catching money, and they're super transparent about it. But keep in mind that this is the only first step to make this strategy work. You'll need to use another app. So make sure you watch the entire video to learn exactly how it works and what you should do. So let me quickly explain what is this all about. You can visit this app at upload.io. Basically, you can make money on these websites by simply uploading 3,000 images. Now you can make money by uploading something to this website and having somewhere else download it for free. Even if you're asleep, traveling, or not doing anything at all, you can earn up to $6 every time someone downloads your content and upload it to this website. Now don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to get 3,000 photographs to download and an automatic way to submit them using a phone or computer. First and foremost, allow me to demonstrate how to register for free on this website. To begin, click the sign up button and then navigate to the user registration page where you'll input your username, email address, password, and payment information. They can pay you with PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, as you can see here. Once you've finished filling out all of your information, simply click on the I'm not a robot box and then on the green register button. Now that I've logged into my account, I can now upload my files. And you can do this on your computer or your mobile phone or any other device as long as you have an internet connection. And when you go to upload files, you'll start uploading something on this website. And you'll start making money whenever people download your file. Now moving forward, I'll teach you exactly where to locate free files to upload, and then you can profit a lot of money on this website. Okay, now we'll show you the second software that you have to utilize, which is called Pixabay. And the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the correct app. It is completely free and contains a large number of copyright-free and royalty-free images of extremely high quality. All photos and films on Pixabay are released under Creative Commons, as stated below, implying that commercial use is permitted. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you love this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. With Pixabay, you can use it for commercial purposes by uploading it to the first half I showed you previously. Or you can use it for any purpose you chose. No attribution needed from there. Now let me show you a real-life example with step-by-step instructions on how to do this by yourself, including how to download, re-upload, and start generating money. As you can see, I've uploaded one image right here, and I'll show you how to do it right now. So let's go to Pixabay.com first. Stunning free images and royalty-free stock can be found here. They have over 1.7 million high-resolution photos and videos that are available for free download by anyone. For example, if I key in nature and then hit the search button, I'll get a list of 3 photos to download right away. And if I click on any of these images, I'll be able to show you an example of how to use them with flowers. We can actually click on this free download option once I click on the image, and I have the ability to choose the resolution. So for the first and most important piece of advice I can give you is to make sure you download high quality images. At the very least, you'll need to download 1280p. Make sure the images are of high quality and resolution so that people will want to download them and profit from them. Do you understand? Now I'm going to select these right here, which is a very small file. Then you can download as much as you want. So once I select this one right here, I'm going to click on download, and you can see here download has been initiated on my computer, and you can do this on your computer or your phone. Well, it doesn't really matter at all. I can now start uploading these images to this website, but before I show you how to upload, I'd like to show you another example. For example, this is another image for which you could do exactly the same thing by clicking on the free download button and selecting this right here and clicking on the download button again. The download will begin once more, and this is a completely free tool to begin downloading these images from Pixabay. I do not need to spend any money. Now I'll return to the first website and demonstrate how to upload them. Now when you click on upload file, you'll see a file upload option. You can either click on this link or on the image right here, as you can see. I have 3 photographs that I can add to this website. For instance, I'll show you what happens when they click on this mountain. The second image, and then open it. You can see this image right here. I can also add more files. I'd like to upload another image, for example, and now you may see 2 photos. You click this blue button to start uploading, and then once you finish uploading everything, they'll begin the uploading process. You can view everything right here because these photos are only 85 KB and 18 KB in size. It's actually quite quick. This is a pretty little file. You can do tens of thousands of times per day. The more images you upload, the more money you'll be able to earn. Once you finish uploading the file, we'll offer you 2 links right here, and you'll earn money every time someone clicks on the link to download the file. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.